Nag-restrict.
Ato rin entrance. Tara, tubig.
Tara ba, wala? Parahaw?
Okay na.
Sir, bawal ang backpack.
Asapin. Okay na.
Kira na sir, backpack.
Pero ikuan lang ka na.
Pero kuya, ato kalayo kuya.
Mama.
Silang maki.
Oh.
Yet it can be and establish very big harmonious relationship with us. Amen. May igsunan naghan dito na mga kumakaon na kayuhan. Kung iba ng Senyor sa pilinyo, padayon kita sa panahon. Padayon kita sa pagsaling. Padayon kita sa pagsahan. We want peace. And according to the government of the church, development is another name for peace. We're blessed with a wonderful land that we have to live here in this land in collaboration with each other. And we know that Livio who tells us we are all brothers and sisters. So, found